Hi, how are you, dear?
I'm fine, dear. Could you please share some details about the IT course and recommend a good institute for me?
Okay, dear. At EduVista, we're committed to providing you with a comprehensive learning experience that goes beyond the classroom. Free course materials. Access our extensive library of course materials to enhance your learning experience. Recorded sessions? Missed a class? No problem. Catch up on your own time with access to recorded sessions. LMS Access, our learning management system (LMS), gives you access to course materials, assignments, and quizzes anytime, anywhere. Real-time use cases. Gain valuable insights from real-world scenarios with access to real-time use cases. Interview preparation. Prepare for your dream job with our interview preparation resources and guidance. Project overview. Apply what you've learned with hands-on projects that simulate real-world scenarios. Industry-focused courses. Choose from a variety of industry-focused courses, including e-commerce, automobiles, medical, fitness, and education. Placement assistance. Get the support you need to kickstart your career with our placement assistance program. Join EduVista today and unlock your full potential. EduVista, where learning meets opportunity.
Wow, dear, this information is incredibly helpful to me. I am sincerely grateful for your assistance and guidance. I will definitely join the course. Thank you very much for your support and kindness.
Thank you for your kind words. I'm delighted that you found the information helpful. We're here to support you every step of the way as you embark on this exciting journey. Looking forward to your enrollment and success in the course. Thank you again for your trust and enthusiasm.